If it doesn't snow by Christmas for once in like a bajillion years, we might not have a white Christmas in Minnesota. Look at this, all the snow melted again. There's a bunch of snow. And it's blurry, isn't it? Everything is awesome! Everything is... Okay. You should. Just thinking about it. Alright, now let's duct tape her up and ship her off. Where are we taking her? She's like playing in there or something. It's not a kitty. It's a full-grown bitch of a cat. What are you doing, Trouble?
You had a lot of fun. You missed out.
Your cat's drunk. Whoa! That bunny poops way too much for its own good. Bro, like seriously? Seriously? I don't even poop that much. Okay, we're gonna stop talking about poop. What are we gonna talk about? Oh. I gotta work at 9, I gotta work from 9 to 5 tomorrow. And I wanna do some editing right now and get some editing done. And yeah. I'll work tomorrow, and I work Christmas Eve, and not very long, but just like from the morning into the afternoon, kind of. A few hours there. And then I work Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, I think even Wednesday. I think so, yeah. That's right, because last time I was thinking what days I had left off this month. Just Christmas Day. And then I work the rest of the month. Oh, those Reese's peanut butter cups look good. Commercials. Stop haunting me with your good looking food. Alrighty, peace out, happiness. And I'll see you tomorrow. Old basement. It's dark in here.